With Australia's climate well suited to sports motoring, the MG-TC gained a strong following in this market and was soon developed by many privateers for racing. The MG-TC was revered for its simplicity and ease of maintenance. With its original 1250cc engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, the MG runs and drives beautifully. The TC arrived immediately post-war in 1945 to a market hungry for a sports car. Around 100mm wider to the TB model it replaced, the TC soon found favour in the US, despite the fact it was only built in right-hand drive. The top speed of this car was listed at 129 km an hour, with a 0 to 100 km in a rather leisurely 21.3 seconds. This is a beautiful example and finished in, there really is only one colour, British Racing Green.